what the hell is going on? How's it going, guys? So first off, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching the videos. I had a lot of action lately with the channel. Uploaded some shorts. It went really well. People have been watching the videos, and that's great. So today I was just saying, hey, let's do a 1-year review of ownership of the car and kind of just go over everything that's happened in the last year. We're gonna go on a drive and have some fun with that and then come back. But first, again, just want to say thank you. I'm extremely happy with the way the channel is going, and I hope you keep watching. And just also an update, the Porsche video will be uploaded within the next week or so, and it is gonna be awesome. It's gonna be like the Corvette video where there was a comparison and contrast video, and it's gonna be amazing. So again, thanks for everything. This is awesome. Like I said, this video is just kind of going over what the first year of owning this car for me is like. There's a lot of videos that you Google first year ownership, GTR, pops up with 1,000 things. I just wanted to do this because it has just hit 1 year ownership for me. I bought this car February 28th of last year. So personally, it's just a big deal. So I thought, hey, let's do this. So without further ado, let's get in the car. Let's go for a drive. All right, guys, let's head out. Let's first put it in R mode so we can have some fun. And just real quick before we go, something that I learned that nobody told me is that this right here, underneath this is a transmission. This area gets so hot that if you put like water you get at a gas station or something, came out of the refrigerator, 15-20 minutes later, it's warm. It gets very warm in there to the point where my phone won't charge anymore. It'll say it's too hot. So just kind of wanted to say that because it's kind of a weird thing that not a lot of people know about unless they own it, or I know somebody that owns one. But yeah, let's head out. Let's get this going. It is a really nice day out. Went to a Jack's Wax show in Clearwater. It's about 45 minutes away. It was really good. Met some good people. Talked to a guy with a Nismo R35. Super nice guy. His name's Nick. Shout out Nick. But yeah, I mean, that's kind of the thing with this car is that, you know, I mean, I've had cars before that, you know, you put money into them and you take them to shows and meets and stuff like that, and you get to meet people. But this is a really big conversation starter, and I mean, like at the gas station, just, you know, wherever someone comes up to you and you're talking to them, and it's great. Like, I mean, obviously, like, you know, if somebody's being weird, it's not good. Like, I had a guy one time like come up to my window and just start banging on the window. Like, I was like, dude, what the? So yeah, it's cool in that aspect that you get to meet a lot of people. There is, I think, kind of like a stigma that like GTR owner just wants to race everybody. I'm not gonna say that's not true. If you've seen my shorts, you know, it's like, dude, just have fun. Like, you know, I mean, I don't think I've beat this car up. I think I've used it, and I've used it the way it should be used. I mean, I also wanted to make this video because if you look, I mean, there's almost 19,000 miles on this car within a year. I mean, that's above average for just a daily driver. So it's like, you know, I just love the car. Owning it the last year has been pretty cool. You know, like I said, it opened up some doors and had me meet some people. It just had situations happen that you don't have, like going to a car show in Venice, and you know, the only cool thing about that car show was on the way when I met up and ran into a, you know, hurricane, and it was just like, dude, it's just stuff like that is pretty cool. Another thing also too that is kind of weird is that I haven't been pulled over once in this car. not that I'm doing crazy stuff, but it's like a lot of people are like, dude, how often you get pulled over? But it's like, no, it's like, I don't know why. I got 5% tint on the car, and cops, they don't do anything. They just, I don't know, but I have never had an issue with that. Never been pulled over with this car. Yeah, it's weird because I definitely have become immune to the speed with this car. And, you know, first couple of weeks or a month, it was just like, oh my god, like, what is going on here? And then after a while, it was like, yeah, dude, give me more, let's go. And you know, that's probably why it's extremely hard to not mod this car, because you just want more and more. It's like crack. It's like, dude, it's like, let's get to 800, let's get to 1200. And it's like, you know, at some point it just, oh, nice, good view. Yeah, hopefully we'll run into something on this drive too. This is just kind of like a chill drive, talking about, you know, the year I've had the car. So nothing crazy, but yeah, like I said, I mean, this car wants to be tuned, it wants to be messed with. It just wants to live out its full potential, and I can't wait to start doing it and start getting into it. And, you know, I don't know if I'm gonna get like a package or if I'm gonna just kind of like do my own thing or what, but I'm extremely excited to get going on it after the warranty. A lot of people are like, dude, why wait for the warranty? Just do it. It doesn't matter. It's definitely awesome. Like, you get stressed, you go for a drive, a nice night drive. There's been several times where I just head out, just go over the Sunshine Skyway Bridge and just go wherever. I don't know, but it's like, that's why I have almost 20,000 miles on this car. It's because it is easy to drive. It's fun to drive. You know, I had a video that I put out about going to get, you know, some new tires for it a few months ago. That's, you know, the first time where there was an actual cost involved with owning the car. My oil changes are free through Loki Nissan, so if you want to check out that video, we'll put it in here. You can check that out. And yeah, it's just interesting because it was about what I thought. It was about $2,500 for all four, but it's just like, it's kind of the way it goes. Yeah, let's try to not be behind this car. Yeah, that'll work. But yeah, anyways, if you guys have any questions, put it in the comments. If you have any questions on anything, yeah, it's really whatever. So yeah, just leave that in there. And yeah, so just like a couple of negative things, like, I don't want to sound negative, but a couple of things that, you know, that I know that are just kind of odd, is that nobody, I had one person within the last few weeks that knew this was a 24. A lot of people just think that it's a 20, 21 with a kid on it or something, but yeah, not many people, like a handful of people that I've met since owning this car have known that it's a 24. Also, the back seats don't get used. I mean, that's a real thing. So do you have a, yeah, you have a stop sign. What am I doing? So, you know, the back seats don't get used, but that's fine. The infotainment system, I don't use it. I use the gauges because it's a piece of shit. So it's like, I don't mean that like to be negative, but it's clearly that didn't give a shit about that when they built this car. So so that's a cop, and we'll see how this goes. I think that's a crazy spot that he picked out there.
And he's just like, he's just chilling there.
He's just chilling. Oh God, I thought that was another one. I was freaking out.
Yeah.
Let's give him a minute and see if he comes around. Dude, like I said, I'm not trying to jinx myself, but I don't get pulled over in this car. It was a close one back there, dear God. But yeah, dude, that's crazy because a lot of people get on this road and have a lot of fun. So that's probably why that cop is there. But clearly he's not coming my way, so that's good. But yeah, so we'll just chill for a little bit because that would have really sucked. Just emotionally and financially with that shit. Also, Lewis is in the car. Say what up, Lewis.
What's up, guys?
Check out his channel. It's way bigger than mine. Louis Z. He's got some good stuff there. He's going to be uploading a video of when he did a POV with this car a little while ago. So that's good. But yeah, I mean, not much else I can really say about the positive and negatives. I just know that I'm extremely happy with the decision I made on this car. There was some back and forth on this and a Porsche. Again, also stereotypical, like GTR owner says I could have owned a Porsche. All right, we're back. The drive was great. I love this car. Everything I talked about in the drive, 100% authentic. I love the car in every way. Just real quick, I'm not sure if everybody knows my Instagram. I know it's a little cringe, but just want to give a shout out to me. This is my Instagram. Check it out. Follow it if you want. Just wanted to put that out there. But again, guys, no joke. Like, appreciate everything. I can't wait to keep doing more videos. I can't wait to see where this goes and how far down the rabbit hole I get into YouTube and what happens with it. But I'm excited. I'm glad that the car has put me in a position to finally submit and say, okay, let's try YouTube. Let's do this. So again, thanks for watching. It's awesome. Like, subscribe. See you guys in the next one.